Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Truffles transform everyday dishes into extraordinary culinary experiences, offering an intense, earthy aroma and unique flavor. These culinary jewels are sought after globally for their distinctive taste. We will explore how to prepare them simply and effectively. Our goal is to highlight their natural essence, ensuring every bite is a memorable one. You are about to unlock their full magic. Gently cleaning your truffle is crucial to preserving its delicate exterior and potent aroma. Begin by using a soft, dry brush to remove any loose soil. For more stubborn bits, a slightly damp cloth works wonders, but always be gentle. Remember, never immerse truffles in water, as this can quickly diminish their unique fragrance and overall quality. Treat them with care, they are precious. To maximize truffle flavor, raw or very low heat exposure is absolutely key. High heat quickly diminishes their delicate, volatile aromatic compounds, losing that precious scent. Always add your thinly sliced or grated truffles right at the very end of cooking, just before serving. A mandolin or fine grater creates elegant, whisper-thin shavings. This ensures their exquisite magic fully infuses your dish. Pair truffles with simple, neutral dishes, allowing their complex aroma to truly dominate. Classic partners include fluffy scrambled eggs, creamy pasta, rich risotto, or humble roasted potatoes. Their mild flavors act as a perfect canvas. Rich dairy products like butter or fresh cream also beautifully carry their unique essence. This creates an incredibly luxurious experience. Let the truffle shine. Proper truffle storage is essential to maximize their shelf life and aromatic power. Keep them in an airtight container, perhaps nestled amongst raw eggs or uncooked rice. This method keeps the truffle fresh and infuses surrounding ingredients with its incredible scent. Aim to use fresh truffles within 3 to 5 days for optimal flavor and aroma. Enjoy every precious moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.